nag-report na rin po ang CAAP sa mga air assets ni Congressman Zaldico. At ito po ay isasubmit na rin natin sa AMLC, sa ICI, at sa DOJ. Alam niyo naman po, nagsabi na po ang DOJ kahapon na pinapa-freeze na nila sa AMLC ang assets. So, para tulungan natin ang investigasyon ng ICI at ng DOJ, susulat na po kami ngayon dahil nagpadala na po ng sulat ang CAAP sa amin, si General Raul Del Rosario, sa 11 registered air assets ni Congressman Zaldico, which I will show you today. So, total of 4.7 billion pesos value of air assets ni Congressman Zaldico registered to various companies outlined here. So first, under Mitsubis Aviation, this is all in US dollars. Ito po yung mga iba't ibang mga assets ng mga eroplano at chopper. Next is Hightone Construction Development Corporation, also I think connected to Congressman Zaldico, and also QM Builder, I think kapatid ba ito? I don't know, basta related to that. Ito po ang example ng mga helicopter at air assets na ang total po nito ay 4.7. Total value is close to 5 billion pesos or 4.7 billion pesos. So we have also written the AMLC, the DOJ, and also the ICI informing them about this, and we will leave it up to them to what to do with these assets. No? So, ano po? So, naglabas na po ng freeze order ang NBI according to nag-request na po ng freeze order ang NBI sa AMLC according to Secretary Boying Remulla, and I have already informed Secretary Remulla that these air assets have already been submitted to us by CAAP, and we are forwarding this to DOJ, ICI, and AMLC today.